Wagwan everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Spicy Chin and Ting. Guys, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Share with all of your friends on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. So in this video, I will be showing you guys one of the ways how I make my curry chicken.
So right now I have scallion, thyme, onion, pepper, and sweet pepper. I will be chopping it up in the Ninja, so this way I can season up the meat from today, because today's Saturday. Season the meat from today so it can soak in all the good seasoning, so I can cook my dinner tomorrow. You understand? So what I will be using as far as powder seasoning, I will be using my reggae seasoning. I love this seasoning. I came across it maybe a couple years ago and I'm just so in love. It have paprika, garlic, onion, thyme, celery, salt, scotch bonnet pepper, and other spices. I will also be using my jerk seasoning that came straight from Jamaica, my curry powder, which is the Better Pack curry. This one right here came straight from Jamaica also. And I'll be using garlic powder, onion powder, and that's about it. The reason I have this is so that if you guys cannot find Better Pack here in America, you can also use the Grace hot curry. You can use this jerk powder. I bought these for someone. And you can also substitute the reggae seasoning for the all-purpose, because I know sometimes the reggae seasoning is hard to find. It's only in the Korean stores. So what I have here is chicken leg, and believe it or not, pieces of chicken back, because I love my chicken back.
So first I'm gonna chop up the scallion, the onion and the thyme in the Ninja. So that's all you want your vegetable to look when you chop it up. You don't want it to be too mushy, so just like pulse it a little bit if you're using a Ninja or whatever the case is. So now I'm gonna add the jerk season. So when you add your seasoning, just make sure say you do it to your liking, your taste, but don't because me put 2 spoons, you're gonna put 2 spoons. It's up to you if you want it, because if you put too much, you're gonna be too salty, especially with that reggae season right there, because it have a whole heap of different seasons mix up in it. Now we are gonna add the onion powder. You know, you just sprinkle a little over it. Then we are gonna add the garlic. Right now you don't need too much garlic because you already are gonna use fresh garlic in it. And guys, when you cook certain food, your food is to your liking or you want for the seasoning. Sorry guys, brief intermission. So now I'm gonna add my curry powder. Now I'm gonna add my seasonings that I chopped up. Now again guys, I don't always do it like this, only the night before if I have intentions of cooking curry or any meat rather. I just season it up like this. Sometimes I just cut up the seasoning like, you know, regular, but this way it gets to like marinate in it overnight. You see? Yes. So after you're done add all your seasoning them, you just cover your pot with a file paper or a pot cover and put it in the fridge. So guys, I am back. Today is Sunday. I'll be making the curry. Here's the meat that I seasoned yesterday. It looks so good.
Smells awesome. And we're gonna be using avocado oil. I have some garlic and ginger that I chopped up, and of course some more curry so you can burn the curry. I already got the pot. I turned the pot on already. Now we're gonna just add our oil. Alexa, play some Bob Marley.
Shuffling songs by Bob Marley on Amazon Music.
So guys, our oil is hot. So first we're gonna add our better pack curry. Alright, once you add the curry, you're burning the curry. So it's very important to make sure you burn curry when you're making it, or else you're gonna have running belly. I don't care what nobody say. Nowadays, these girls talking about curry don't need for burn. Yes, curry need for burn. Alright guys, so you're burning your curry. Now we're gonna add our ginger and garlic. Add the chicken. And look, you don't need a lot of oil. You just stir that up in there. And don't add no water to the pot. Just make the meat spring its own water. Look at that, guys. So what I've got here is some Irish potato, some fresh onion, scallion, and thyme with some hot water. So we're just gonna pour it in.
And this is when you just add a little bit of water. Don't add no 1 bucket of water like say you make curry soup. You're making curry chicken. You just want some gravy. You don't want a whole thing of water.
And you just let this simmer for 20 minutes or so. Before I was just letting the chicken cook in its own juices for about 10 minutes. Look at that. Beautiful.
And there you have it, guys. Curry chicken with white rice and cabbage with pop chow. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on and share with your friends. What good?
So when you see me say, yes, good day, with me steam fish and okra body. When you see me say,